It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The items that you're going to need today is a crochet wig cap, and I like to use the shake and go crochet wig cap with combs. It's just what I prefer. The next thing that you will have to get is a headband of your choice. I bought a pack of 12 from Amazon. Then you will need a needle and thread, T-pins to secure your cap onto your mannequin head, a crochet needle, of course, a pair of scissors, and the crochet hair of your choice. Now the hair that I'm using today is the Zury Afro twist, and supposedly you will only need one pack of this hair. On it, it says one pack is enough, and in this package you do get 3 bundles of hair in the lengths 8 inch, 9 inch, and 10 inch, and I did get it in the color honey blonde. Now you guys know I love big hair, and I did go ahead and purchase 2 packs, but I am going to try my best to just use 1 pack, and we're going to see how that goes. Right here, I'm just showing you guys exactly what this hair looks like straight out the pack. This is the 10 inch, the 9 inch, and the 8 inch lengths that come within this 1 pack. Now we are going to start by applying our crochet wig cap to the mannequin head, and I'm just showing you guys that this wig cap does come with wig combs, and that's one of the reasons why I really love this wig cap by Shake and Go. The next thing that I'm going to use is some T-pins to secure this cap onto the mannequin head to make sure that it doesn't move once we're ready to apply the crochet hair and once we're ready to apply our headband onto this crochet cap. Now we're going to place our headband onto the mannequin head, and you want to make sure that you flip the headband inside out when you're sewing it onto the wig cap. Doing this, make sure that your seam ends up on the inside of your cap when you're ready to wear it, rather than it being towards the outside. Now I'm just taking my needle and thread, and I'm sewing from the front half of this wig cap to the back half of the wig cap. Now I like to work in half sections just to make sure that I'm sewing the headband evenly around the wig cap. And when you're sewing your headband onto your wig cap, you do not have to sew your stitches very close to each other, because you want your cap to still be able to have stretch. So when you sew your stitches too close to each other, it eliminates that stretch that you will have in your cap, and it will feel either too tight or snugger than you would like on your head. Now we're going to begin sewing the headband onto the next half of your wig cap. While I am sewing, I do want to mention that we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, I will be doing a huge giveaway on my channel. So make sure that you guys continue to like my videos, share my videos with your friends and family, let them know to come subscribe to my channel, because I do have amazing content coming within the next few months. Now I'm just showing you guys what this wig cap is looking like once you flip the headband over the wig cap. And this is exactly what I was talking about. The seam is on the inside of the headband and not on the outside. Now I'm just showing you guys exactly where I'm going to begin my first bundle of this hair, and I am putting the 10-inch bundle at the bottom, then I'm going to put the 9-inch bundle, and then the 8-inch bundle at the top. So I'm showing you guys exactly how I'm going to place each length onto this wig cap. Now, because I'm going to try my best to just use one pack like the packaging says, I am going to be spacing these a little further apart from each other just to make sure that I will have enough hair to complete this entire look. So as you guys can see, I'm placing them maybe about an inch away from each other on the wig cap, just so you guys can see exactly how far apart I am placing them. Now I am bringing the 10" down on the sides as well because I want this to look like a nice even bob towards the back once you place this on your head. This is what we're looking like once I created the line of 10" Afro twists, and now I'm going to continue to fill in this bottom section with the rest of the 10" Afro twists. Now when you are doing this, you do want to continue to stagger these in the back, especially because we are leaving spaces in between each one, so you want to make sure that you're staggering these Afro puff twists in the back of this cap. Just continue to watch to see exactly how I completed this. Now this is what this entire back section is looking like once I went ahead and completed adding in all 10 inches of the Afro twist. Now I'm going to begin adding in the 9" Afro twist. Now I'm showing you guys exactly where I'll be placing all of the 9" Afro twists. It's basically going to be on the entire sides of both sides of this cap and right across the top half of this cap. That's exactly where I'm going to be placing all the 9" Afro twists. This is what this cap is looking like once I've completed crocheting the 9" on both sides of this wig cap. Now I'm going to continue to crochet the rest of the 9" that I have onto this top back section of this cap. This is what this wig is looking like once I went ahead and crocheted in the 9" and the 10" of this Afro twist. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish crocheting in the 8" in this top section, and then I'll be right back. This is what this wig is looking like once I went ahead and crocheted in all of this hair. This hair is 8" in the top, 9" in the middle and on the sides, and 10" in the bottom. My favorite thing about this hair is the little ringlet curls that are on the ends. I feel like those little ringlet curls really make this look pop. Let's not forget to mention that I only used one pack of this hair. As you guys can see, the second pack is not open. It was completely untouched. Now I'm showing you guys what this wig looks like once you flip that headband up over the edges of this wig cap. And now I'm showing you guys what the coverage looks like along the sides and the back of this wig cap. Now, one thing I will say is that I do agree with the packaging when it says that one pack is enough to complete this full install, but I still feel like I do still need a little bit more coverage around the edges of this wig in the back section. Maybe I could have placed the ones in the middle a little further apart just so I can use those extra pieces along the back section. That probably would have worked as well, but I will most likely be going in with a little bit more of this hair towards the bottom half of this wig when I'm ready to style this onto my head. Now, if you do not plan on wearing this wig up into a ponytail or plan to expose the back section of this wig, then you can just leave it as is in the back section. This is a cute way to style this wig, and I like this style because it definitely shows off the different lengths that this wig does have. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to create your own headband wig using the Zury Afro twist. One pack is enough in the color Honey Blonde. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my beauties!